Hey G Squad, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see by the title, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these two delicious, one is a drink and the other one is like a healthy protein bowl. They're both healthy. But in any case, acai bowl on your left, and then to your right, that beautiful colorful drink is a turmeric latte. So if you would like to see how I made these two delicious treats, then keep watching. Alright G Squad, so I have the ingredients laid out on the counter. So we're going to start with our acai bowl to your left. So I have some frozen wild blueberries. I have my banana. I have a banana laid out here. I have some raspberries as well as some black raspberries and red raspberries. I have strawberries here. I have my sliced almonds. If you have allergy to peanuts, of course, you don't have to add these. I have some coconut milk, and then I have the acai pack. I picked this up from Whole Foods. It comes like 4 in a pack for about a little over $7, and make sure you leave this out to allow it to melt, so you'll be able to break it up. Okay, and then I have I don't know if I mentioned, I'm going to add a avocado to that as well. Okay, so now to your right for my latte, my turmeric latte. And the recipe for the turmeric latte, it actually came from, my niece shared it with me, and I'll make sure I put the link below. You see the fly in here, I apologize for that. But yeah, so these are the ingredients for that drink, and so I'm going to be using some oat milk. I have turmeric powder, black pepper, I have some honey for my sweetener. You can use honey or maple syrup. I also have some ginger. You can use the fresh ginger. I didn't have any more, so I'm going to use the powdered ginger, which is fine. I have cinnamon, and then these right here are some all-purpose rose petals that I ordered these from Amazon, and they are edible, as well as I use them in like essential oils that I make. Okay, so those are all the ingredients. So we're going to go ahead and get started with making our acai bowl first. Alright G Squad, so here's the acai bowl. Okay, so again, you could just make it your own, add whatever you want in that. Okay, so that's how that's looking. So now we're going to move on now and do our turmeric latte. squad. So there you have it. Our acai bowl on your left. And then I made our turmeric latte. So as I said, for the turmeric latte, my niece, shout out to LaShonda. Hey baby, she forwarded me this recipe. So like I said, I'll make sure I'll put the link below where she got it from. And then, yeah, like I said, the acai bowl. And so family, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you tried either one of these recipes, let me know how you liked it. And with the latte, it's a healthier alternative to, you know, instead of drinking coffee, you know, maybe try that. You can have it cold or warm, okay? So family, I love you guys, and thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Bye!